guide you how to remove my Facebook account from other devices. For that, make sure you follow all the steps one by one so that you won't make any mistakes during the process. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. First thing first, open the Facebook application. Now tap on three-line menu icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now tap on gear icon at the top of the screen, or else you can also tap on the settings and privacy option and go to the settings. Once you reach here, tap on see more in account center. Now scroll down and tap on password and security under account settings. Here under security checks, you can find the option of where you are logged in, and here select the Facebook account. Here you can see all the account login activity. Another option here is the logins on other devices. So it notifies that no logins for this account on other devices. This means other devices haven't accessed my Facebook account. If you have any, then you can simply select the device that you want to remove. Then after that, once you select that, you can easily tap on the remove button and remove your Facebook account from other devices. If this video was helpful for you, then hit the like button, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.